So what's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. As some of you guys all know, we have the Pixels display. Now, some of you guys remember we actually reviewed the Lametri clock, which it's somewhere there. You can see that clock with animation there at the background. So today we are having this kind of bad boy, which is a bigger display, which you can keep it at your background, and it's a really good one because you can animate it, give it some text, and you can even use it throughout your shops. If you have a shop, you can just do a lot of stuff through this kind of display, and it's really worth it. And I think you can even keep it on your car at the back. You know what I mean? When you keep it at the car at the back, you want to just, you know what I mean, the people to see what's happening. So overall, it's a great and amazing clock to be using it throughout your setup. And basically today we're gonna just check it out and see what's packed through this bad boy. So let's get started to see what's packed inside and how we can use it, and is it any good or not. But I believe this is a really dope tech, so let's get started. So guys, we're gonna just right now unbox it. As you can see, this is the box, and it looks really cool, to be honest. And yeah, at the back of the box you can see what it says. It's 20 times 20 centimeters. I think this is the Pixels, and it has some hanging slots, and it's a USB-C, and this is the QR code for your app. And I think, yeah, that's what's up. And this one is a 32 times 32 because they are different versions. There's 16 by 16 and this is 32 by 32. So yeah, so display, you can see here we're getting this kind of box, really cool. You're getting a manual, really important to just read the manual and understand. A cable, a USB cable, USB to Type-C, which is a really great thing. You're getting this power source, which you can use it throughout connecting on your USB. But if you have a USB powered up throughout your computer or throughout the hub, you can use it. So there we go. This is our Pixel display, and at the back there's this kind of stuff here, which you can use it throughout, keeping it at your desk like this way. You can keep it just somewhere there staying. Really cool. And we're gonna peel this thing out. And yeah, that's really dope. You can see that's the display. On this side there's an on button, and this side is just a light button, I guess so. And another kind of stuff, that's it. And there's these are the hooks. I guess this I don't know how you can do that with this stuff here, but this one here, you can hook it at your wall, which is really great. It's on. You can see there it's on right now, and it's just empty because you just have to connect it, I guess, and you can change between different modes. You can see there, guys, really convenience. And this is just the red thing, and this is just the moving part, and this is, so it's just limited with this stuff which is going on. But when we use the app, we're gonna explore more. So I'm gonna keep it on my table here, so as you guys can see too, and we use the app to connect it on our display here. Guys, this is the application from the Play Store. It's called the iDot-Matrix for controlling it on your display. Right now we are connected throughout our app, and it's a really great thing. So you can go to graffiti, you can draw anything you want throughout here, as you can see, in real time, and it's working perfect. You can change colors and keep it something like that. When you're done, you can save it, or you can just import materials. So this is like materials you can import throughout here, which is really great on the app side. And you can interchange throughout, moving your subject through different position. You can flip them just like that. It's really great. And yeah, that kind of stuff. You're having text based, so you can see here text like Abdul 113 and press it here. You can see it written Abdul 113. You can change the colors. So it's a really good display, to be honest, if you're having a shop, to keep it outside and giving your customers a message. You may be deleting that and say out of office. Perfect. You can see there, and you can even interchange like that, and it comes slowly. And I think you can control the speed, so if you want just something like that out of office, and people, they can see that you're out of office. So yeah, another kind of stuff, it has a stopwatch. If you want to add a stopwatch, you can start a stopwatch there. You can see that's our stopwatch, and you can reset it and go back. You're having your schedule. You can set your schedule in here depending on what you want, and you're having a countdown. So if you want to start a countdown in here, you can start a countdown, I guess, on this side, and your countdown will just be there starting, and it's really cool. And you can go back again throughout the app, and you can have presets, and you can have bunch of stuff going on the app side. You can change colors, you can adjust if you want to add date, and yeah, it has a lamp lightning. You can add some lamp lightning, light effects depending on what you want. This is RGB. You can have your custom materials, and yeah, and this side it's a cloud material, so it's like you can download these animations throughout here. So it's refreshing right now, it's loading, so as you can have this animation throughout our app and sync on our display. That's what's up about the Pixel screen. I hope you guys enjoyed throughout the video of today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this kind of Pixel screen. To be honest, to my perspective, I think they play a big role throughout showcasing what you really need mostly on the Pixel screen, and they're looking so beautiful throughout your setup. And not only looking beautiful, but the interaction throughout that, it's really top notch. And when it comes to the office side, or let me say you're having a shop and you want to display your type of text or certain thing, well, to be honest, the Pixel screen, it comes really in handy. You're gonna love it throughout there because it's really sparking, and it captures a lot of people attention to see what's happening. So if you're looking forward through that, the Pixel screen, it's a really way to go, and I give it go, to be honest. And that's what's up, guys. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Pixel screen, and to be honest, that's what's up. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, guys, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next tech video, and peace.